We are here at Disney once again.
Yeah, we came to see all the Christmas things.
There's Christmas food and we're gonna have some.
Okay, so we're gonna do the festival holidays and we got our little Sippin pass things, and now we have to pick which ones we want.
Barbacoa tamal de res, cookie dough Yule log, holiday mash bowl, holiday M&M's eclair. I did want ice cream for breakfast. Café de olla, cold brew café de olla cocktail. Next. Ooh, beef brisket slider looks good. Holiday turkey leg is just a regular turkey leg. They're trying to pull one over on us.
It's seasoned for the holiday.
Right. Chorizo queso fundido, we've seen that before. Cookies and cream hazelnut hot cocoa looks interesting. Cranberry Christmas mule. Salted caramel brownie white Russian.
There's also an Irish hot chocolate for adults.
Yeah, I'm accidentally reading the cocktails. I didn't mean to read the cocktails, I guess. Because like they're not included in the past, right?
No.
Yeah. Okay, al pastor mac and cheese, the holiday duet, which is a combination of that.
The two kinds of the mac and cheese.
And the savory Kugel mac and cheese.
I think that one's vegan.
Braised pork belly adobo. I think that's a winner right there. Miggy shaped sticky toffee pudding macaron. We had something like that before, right?
Yeah.
Guava melon lassi.
So I came back.
Winter citrus New York sour. Oh, well, those are cocktails. Is that it?
There's the map of where they're located, and anywhere you can use the Sip pass.
Is that all the food?
Well, some of them are located in the restaurants, remember?
Yeah. So these are the participating restaurants. And if they have the little candy, you can use your Sippin
okay.
pass.
So spicy Cajun loaded fries, that's what you were talking about. Chocolate peppermint lava cake, that sounds good. Cannoli churro, beef brisket slider.
Which is available there and in the little houses.
Strawberry basil churro, strawberry basil, gross. House-made orange, yuzu, and cranberry agua fresca.
These are new.
Hot blueberry cider, okay. Pumpkin cheesecake bread pudding, that sounds good. Pumpkin spiced horchata cold brew. Cinnamon caramel apple bundt cake. And chocolate cake flan. Okay. What do you want?
Yeah, these are new. So people are really raving about the al pastor torta.
That's not part of this pass, right?
No.
Yeah.
And this is just the index, some of the merchandise, if you have a magic key. Here's entertainment.
Okay, well, what are we eating first?
It doesn't have times, but I guess you'll know. Here, you can scan it. What are we starting with? We're by Grandma's. Do you want tamales? Probably not. We have that all the time.
Oh, the pork belly adobo.
Beef brisket?
Yeah. I mean, I'm down to try the turkey leg, but I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be a regular turkey leg, right?
We don't need a turkey leg.
Okay.
No, there's a pineapple one.
Okay, beef brisket slider then.
Let's go.
And then I do want, this is my number one.
That was
the
my
braised
favorite.
pork belly adobo. I need that.
One slider, anything else?
Remember that we can stand in line and get all the
So we got the beef brisket slider. It's pretty cute. It's on a pretzel bun. It has like a little barbecue sauce, grilled onions, and like a little horseradish sauce. Oh my gosh, so sorry. No. Okay, now I'll try it.
It's room temp at best.
Yeah, it's
not
like-
hot.
It's like a sandwich cut type of thing.
Well, it's a sandwich.
Yeah,
Why do
but
you
like,
want it piping hot?
because it's a slider,
Yeah, because it's a slider.
not a cold cut sandwich.
Oh, I thought it was really good.
It has good flavor.
I like the sauce. I thought it'd be more spicy because it has horseradish sauce.
The sauce is good. The sauce is good, but like, yeah.
And I love pretzel buns, and I think it's good.
It's the adobo mac and cheese and, oh no, it's the al pastor mac and cheese, and what's the other one called?
Krugo.
It's just like savory something mac and cheese.
Savory kugel mac and cheese.
This one's really good. It's like really creamy.
The sauce on the vegetarian one, amazing.
No, it's vegetarian?
Yeah, this one's
I mean, it doesn't
vegetarian.
have meat. Not vegan.
I forget cheese, yeah. Oh, that is spicy.
And the al pastor one's really good. I wish it had more sauce or cheese, but it's really good. It's spicy. And are these like fried onions or corn chips? I'm not sure.
They look like corn chips to me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Super good. I think this is like a must-have.
All right, let's go pick up the adobo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Further down. Oh yeah, I won't forget my tray this time. So this is like chicharron.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I thought it'd like pull apart. Oh, it kind of did.
Okay, well now that it's all gone, what do we think?
It's still my favorite of the whole festival.
It's really good. I really like how the meat is like, it's not dry. Like, it's just really good. I didn't like the little crackling skins because I felt like they didn't add flavor.
I liked
I
them.
wanted some salt somewhere, but it was good.
It was very salty.
The
The
meat
rice,
itself.
the rice.
No, I didn't find
The
it
rice had like
salty.
some sort of sauce in it.
No, what was
like a
next
broth
to
or
the pork
something.
belly? The pork belly had some sort of sauce, I think. And that was the saltiness that I would have liked a little bit more.
I got it. And it only took half an hour.
But we're at the Smoke Jumpers Grill. So it's one of the restaurants and it's lunch hour. But it looks like it was worth the wait. It looks really good. It's the spicy Cajun fries. And it looks like it has like bell pepper and the corn ribs, which is like Disney's fun way of calling corn.
Trying to get onions. There we go. So what are we getting here?
We're gonna get the pumpkin cheesecake.
We're going to that next, but we're
Is at the very back. Pumpkin cheesecake bread pudding.
Pumpkin cheesecake bread pudding.
Okay, so we're trying the pumpkin cheesecake bread pudding from Aunt Cass's here in San Francisco. That looks so cute.
I think this is all the cheesecake.
The cream?
It's not cheesecake inside here. I think this is the pumpkin cheesecake sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like a cream cheese in?
All right.
I'll dig in. It's really good.
It tastes more like a spice cake than like a bread pudding.
But it's really soft and nice on the inside.
Yeah.
Gonna try some?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then tell us what you think.
All right. I now see what Alice was saying about the brown sauce. It is very strong. It almost tastes burnt.
It's a burnt sauce.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what makes it taste like a spiced cake instead of, because it's like a burnt sugar, kind of like for the flan, I guess. I expect the flan to have something like that.
The bread pudding itself is really good.
It's really soft, spongy.
But yeah, the sauce has like a little burn flavor that I don't particularly like.
I liked the sauce. I thought it went
Yeah.
well. Kind of
It's
like
just
a
a little too strong.
bitter coffee taste.
I mean, I'm still eating it, so obviously I like it, I guess.
It just gives it more of a spice instead of like a Mexican bread pudding.
Waiting for our flan.
We are waiting.
Oh,
Half the size of the last one.
all right. Well, dig in.
It's choco flan.
Officially named chocolate cake flan.
Yeah, chocolate cake flan for those who don't speak Spanish. Sabe de caja. You know, as far as flans go, this one's actually decent. This one's good.
Nice.
It rivals Cardenas flan.
I don't know if that's saying much.
I know, but like this is okay. But it's sabe de caja.
It's good. Está bueno.
But I'm not like disappointed.
I like it. I like that better than the flan families make. Although I know if my mom were to taste this, she'd say que lo hicieron mal.
Because it has like jello.
Yeah. The one time my tia brought flan to Christmas, and she messed it up. She admits she messed it up. No le salió bien, and it was my favorite. It was the only flan I never liked flan until I tasted that flan. Right? So like I think this is what she might have done, something similar. And because I remember
I
it
feel like it has cheese
being
cream
like
in
this.
it.
Yeah.
Esther sometimes makes it with queso crema and it tastes like this.
So I like it when you mess up flan, apparently.
Apparently.
And I really like this flan, but I know my mom would say it's messed up.
I like it.
I do too. It's very good.
But I tend to like every choco flan I ever try. It's the Scrooge story.
Yeah, it's the Christmas Carol.
You don't want to go with us to the Christmas story?
Just an ocean of people. Let's go home, Nemo.
If we can even make it out.